content today, and y'all know I have not done one in a while. I have to update you guys on my YouTube channel, but if you follow me on Instagram, you guys know that we recently moved again and we're in Salt Lake City. So I'm starting over with readjusting and all that stuff. But today I have an event. I'm bringing you guys along with me to set up. I'm in a U-Haul. Y'all know I like to get U-Haul so that I can do as much work as I can in the comfortability of my home, and then I go to the event and I don't have to spend as much time there. But I'll show you guys everything that I have back here in the back once I get to the space, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I know it's pretty hard to see me because it is now dark outside. I got all the way to the venue and realized I forgot my bag at the house that had my pump, the extra balloons, and like all the balloons that I put in at the end to add the texture. I left it on the freaking couch. There, I couldn't even start setting up or do anything, so I had to turn around and come back. I'm so frustrated with myself because this event I only had to set up from 6 to 8. I actually got there early like I normally do. I got there at about 5:40. I was able to get all the balloons inside, and right when I was like, let's get to work, I realized, shit, I don't have a pump, I don't have anything except the stuff that I created for the base. So I had no choice but to come all the way back. Now it says I'm not going to get back to the venue till 6:49 because it was about a 25-minute ride there. So guys, triple check to make sure you have all your stuff. And the crazy part is I went to check. I didn't triple check, I double checked, and that's where I messed up at, because I pre-put everything in the car as soon as I finished blowing everything up except the bag that had all my extra balloons and my pump and stuff. And I almost looked in the living room before I left out to make sure I had everything, but I was like, no, I got everything, I already did it, and I didn't. So if you don't do anything else, make sure you have all your shit before you leave the house. But I'm about to try to drive this U-Haul crazy. Oh Lord, I got to go, y'all. Bye. This is how it turned out. It's the day after the event. Everything came out so beautiful. I always do extra for my clients just because I'm extra, and the extra hour that I lost took away from the extraness that I wanted to do for her. But we got it done. We're about to head to the airport. If I didn't mention, this event was in Atlanta. You know, that's where most of my clientele is. So this event was in Atlanta. We're about to drop off this U-Haul, and then we're going to head to the airport to head back to Salt Lake City. And if we have time, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what our new house is looking like. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you don't know that we did find a house. So we're now having a house built because the market for trying to get a previously existing home is crazy right now. And the easiest thing that came about was for us to actually have a house built. I thought we would be getting a house built when we actually built our dream home, but this house is going to be very gorgeous. So yeah, so I'm excited about that. Either way, I'm just grateful that we were able to find a home to purchase. So yeah, so I will check back in with you guys later on today. Like I said, we're gonna head back to the airport, and if we have time, I will stop and show you guys what the new house is gonna look like. Talk to you guys later. Alright, so I made it over to the house, and we're about to go inside. I'm gonna show you guys around some. Alright, so this is gonna be my office over here, and then on this side is a half bathroom. We have a hallway, kitchen. This is gonna go downstairs, stairs going upstairs, living room, fireplace. I love these huge windows. This is gonna be the kitchen over here. And then you go up some stairs here. And this is gonna be our bedroom. Kelvin's closet, sitting area, step up bathroom, tub, shower, or shower tub, double vanity here, toilet space over here, my closet, and we're gonna come back out. The house has a few different levels. This is the laundry room right here, so it's like a step up, and then you come inside and we have laundry, and then we're going up some more steps. We're gonna have an overlook, so we're able to look down, see the living room. Then we have a 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. Oh, Dakota has a tub. 2 bedroom, and then no, sorry, not 2 bedroom. Bedroom, bathroom, bedroom, bedroom. This is probably gonna be Dakota's room here. And then we go back down some steps. And you can see, you know, coming down the kitchen, all that. And this is the mudroom area here. The garage over there. And this is a guest room here. They have like a guest suite. So it's a massive room. I really love this room. And it has a full bath and closet over there. This is probably one of my favorite rooms in the house. I'm super excited for this. And then you can see the basement through this crack here. When you go downstairs here, more steps. We have a full basement. Not really much that you can see now, but I kind of wanted to give you guys a little sneaky peek. Super excited to see. When we saw it not too long ago, it was just a pile of dirt. And so now we have all of this space down here. It's our full basement area. So I'll be super excited to have an official man cave. Our first house had a 3rd floor that he used for his man cave. So we're super excited to have this house to have an actual basement. So now guests don't have to actually go through the main part of our living space. And so this space under here is pretty cool because instead of, because there's that full master suite up there, down here is like a half wall. So we're trying to think of what we can do to make this space useful besides storage. I really want to make something cool for Dakota under this space here. So let me know if you guys have any ideas about that. I have to go ahead and head to the car so we can go ahead and head home and get ready for hanging out, some dinner in bed. Talk to you guys. I'll probably continue this vlog on. So I may see you guys later, or I may end it here, but I'll talk to you guys later.